Ever felt like proving you actually worked those hours was harder than the work itself? Clockify's screenshot feature can help streamline the proof of work, compliance, and accountability process, all while addressing your team's privacy concerns. Let's explore how it works, step by step. First, you'll need to have a paid Clockify subscription, as the screenshot feature is part of the Plus plan. To configure it, head to your Clockify workspace settings. Scroll down until you find the screenshots section. Here, you'll see options to enable the feature. Note that only admins and owners can configure these settings. You can adjust how frequently screenshots are taken, from every minute to every 10 minutes. Consider the balance between detailed activity tracking and potential privacy considerations when making your selection. Privacy is key. Clockify offers a blurring option. Select the level of blurring to obscure sensitive information while still capturing the work context. You can choose to blur everything or just sensitive data. You can also set up automatic deletion of screenshots after a defined period, such as 30, 60, or 90 days, which helps with data retention policies. It's important to remember that the screenshot feature only works with the Clockify Desktop app. Make sure your team installs the app to utilize this functionality. Once enabled, screenshots are associated with each user's time entries. You can view them within the timesheet details. This allows you to verify work and address any time discrepancies. And that's how screenshots work in Clockify, providing a streamlined way to manage proof of work.